How are we looking today, Tom?
Pete, we're going to look forward to a positive start this morning. The futures are telling us the ASX 200 should be up by about 1/3%. So not quite emulating what we saw on Wall Street, where the gains were quite solid. It was one of those sessions, Pete, where the stars lined up quite nicely in that the economic news was better than expected. We saw a fall in long-term interest rates, and we saw an improvement where stocks were concerned. So most notably, Friday featured the release of the US Federal Reserve's preferred measure of inflation. It's tied to what US workers earned and spent over the course of the last month. And there's this number called the PCE deflator. Yes, it's the sort of figure that gets the kids into economics very much. And in monthly terms, it came in at 0.2. In annualized terms, at 4.1%. And that was below the market's expectations, and that's why you saw the fall in long and short-term interest rates, down by about 5 basis points where a 2-year Treasury note was concerned, 6 basis points where a 10-year note is concerned. They're pretty decent falls where interest rates are concerned. And then on the back of that, Pete, we also saw the measure of consumer confidence according to the University of Michigan. That was better than expected. That came in at its highest level since October 21. And then the measure of labour costs, the employment cost index, that came in just below the market's expectations as well. So that's why you saw stocks flourish. The broader market, the S&P 500 up by 1%, and the NASDAQ up by almost 2%, 1.9%. Right. So today we'll be looking forward to some Chinese manufacturing numbers. They will be one of the most important things to look at.
What was that deflator again? What was that deflator?
The PCE deflator.
Oh, is that what got you into the business?
Very much so, yes.
Yeah.
No, well, it's evolved over time as being one of the more important measures of inflation that the central bank looks at. But, you know, that's I'm not quite sure where to go from that.
No. But I'm glad you're in the business. I'm glad you're in the business because it means we have regular chats. Pete. Good to see you, Tom Piotrowski. We'll talk to you again soon.